In this video, we're going to introduce the Civil 3D surveying tools. We're going to navigate to the Survey tab. We're going to set our survey user settings, and we're going to create a survey database and discuss what a survey database is. So what we're going to first do is we're going to navigate over to the tool space and select the Survey tab. Inside the Survey tab is where all of our settings are going to be for importing and working with any kind of survey information inside of Civil 3D. So the first thing that you need to do when you start working in the surveying tab inside of Civil 3D is you need to set up your survey user settings. What's important to note about survey user settings is that these are settings that navigate and are carried across all of your entire program of Civil 3D. It is not a drawing specific setting, it is a program specific setting. So what we're going to go ahead and do is up in the upper left hand corner, there's a button for survey user settings. You're going to click that, and it's going to bring up a window full of user settings for Civil 3D. So what you have in here is you have miscellaneous information for how you're going to edit information inside of Civil 3D. We're going to go ahead and leave that as Windows Notepad. What we do want to do is we want to change some of our default information. So we're going to change our survey database defaults, our equipment defaults, our line work processing defaults, our figure defaults, and then the rest of the information can be modified as we're doing imports, so it's not as important. One of the things that I do like to make sure is checked when I'm working inside Civil 3D is that when I do an import, that I am going to insert figure objects and insert survey points. So those are both checked yes for me. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is navigate back up here. And like I said before, this information is shared across the program and not across the drawings. So because I've been working inside of Civil 3D, my survey database defaults and equipment defaults have all been properly set already. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is walk through one of them, and then you're going to do this for your survey database defaults, equipment defaults, line work processing defaults, and figure defaults. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your database settings path, and you're going to click on this folder. What you want to do is you want to navigate to wherever you have downloaded the data sets and files for this video series, and you are going to navigate to where you have the survey folder. The survey folder inside of your data sets is where all of your information is. So it's datasets survey, and I'm going to go ahead and select folder, and you can see all of the other information will follow through. That's going to go Civil 3D files, datasets, survey, select folder. Datasets, survey, select folder. Test prep, datasets, survey. And so once we've set all of our settings, we're going to go ahead and navigate back out. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. So what that should have done is it should have set up all of our user settings. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to set up a survey database. When you set up a survey database, you're going to right click on survey databases, and you have the options of new local survey database and set working folder. Effectively, what a survey database is it is a location where all of the information for any survey imports is going to be saved to. When you set up a new local survey database, what it's going to do is it's going to create a folder inside of your computer somewhere, wherever you specify, and then it is going to drop some generic files into that for you to be able to work with and create new imports. As part of this video series, we have provided you with a survey database already. So instead of creating a new local survey database, we are going to set a working folder to direct you to your already created or downloaded survey database. So we're going to go ahead and select set working folder. You're going to navigate to wherever you have your dataset saved to. And inside of that datasets folder will be the survey folder. We're not going to select the survey folder. We're going to select the file above wherever your dataset is going to be for survey imports. So we're going to select datasets as our folder, and we're going to go ahead and click select folder. And what you'll notice is a survey database is created, and that is the folder where all of your information is saved for your survey imports.